Alright, today is the 8th of November 2018, it's 20:59 local time. This is the Kiwi dollar on the 50-minute chart, trading on 0.67448. As expected, market came down nicely. Our at market position short is nicely into profit. Now you have different options. Either you take the profit of that position, or you protect the position by, for example, securing, the price here. In that case, I will go for securing, because I then have the possibility of riding all the way down and making a profit. And in the worst case, if it does a pullback, I just get stopped out and can reevaluate whether I will go for another short at some point. So far that looks good, and obviously this plateau down here has some short-term stops, so that would be one of the targets. And at the moment we rather have some longies coming in, so no big shorties in the way. Once this trade is finished, I'll make a nice follow-up, and I will describe in which scenarios the trade would not have worked. Namely, I will explain those few scenarios. One is the dumb money switch, and another one is if the dumb money actually was able to cash in, like here in such a scenario after a news announcement. And I will also touch on the scenario of when the dumb money tolerance is high, so a bit of dumb money is allowed to win, which is the out of range scenario. These are basically the only scenarios, where, for example, a trade idea can fail. That's pretty much it. And this is quite rare most of the time, as you know by now. With all these videos, I think I have above 250 videos now over 2 years, with an extremely high win-loss rate. Most of the trades work, but not 100%, and I will discuss in a follow-up video, like in which kind of scenarios you need to either hedge, for example in the money switch scenario, or even completely cut the trade. It's not impossible, it can happen. It's quite rare though, especially if you only concentrate on high confidence setups. Then there will be very rare cases where you need to do that. As you know, now over 2 years, and for these documented trades, there was not a single scenario so far where I had to completely cut a trade. I think there was one scenario where I played a bit more defensive and reduced the position, or something like that, but that's pretty much it. You can watch all the videos, they're all on the channel. I quote the exact date and local time at the beginning of each video, as well as the price. And you can see the upload time. I have a followership by now, people are observing this live. Anyways, I'll talk more about the general principles and explain more in the follow-up video. Then I will basically explain those situations, and then maybe if I have time I will even do an educational video at some point, summarize with some slides showing again those particular scenarios. So the a dumb money switch scenario, a plausibility principle scenario, and also an out of range scenario. Anyways, let's leave that for another video. Okay, we come nicely now at 0.6742, local time 2104.